Yeah.
I need to get you through a door. Come here. Come closer so I can get you.
Wait a minute, while I'm flying, I'm going to lose it if you... Yeah, the drone's watching you now.
Come here, turn around. Can you come here and show me your get up, please?
Okay, hang on.
It's going to be boring if you don't come soon. Okay, where's Joe?